Welcome back to the Financial Independence Network channel. Today we'll be talking about how to make money online. This is part 2 of this mini-series. If you haven't watched part 1, the link is in the description. Also, we tried one of the services from the first video. We took part in a focus group and completed 2 product research projects where we earned $425 in 2 hours. Make sure you like and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content like this in the future. Also, leave a comment if you could use an extra $425 in your pockets right now for some Easter eggs. As the world changes drastically due to the pandemic, people are finding new ways to earn money without leaving their homes. So, let's dive into some of the best options out there. Number 1, are you an animal lover? Do you have a talent for pet sitting or dog walking? Then Rover is the app for you. It's like Tinder, but for pet owners and sitters. Swipe right on a furry friend and earn some extra cash. According to Rover, you earn up to $1,000 a month as a dog walker or dog sitter. For dog sitters willing to also become a dog boarder, it's possible to earn up to 2 times more than those who offer only dog sitting services. Number 2, e-courses are like online universities, but without the student loans. Create a course on anything from yoga to cooking through Gumroad.com or Udemy.com and Teachable.com. Who knew that your love for baking could turn into a dough-making machine? Get it? On the Gumroad blog, you can find an article about 102 creators who have made over $100,000. According to Glassdoor, the average Udemy instructor salary is over $60,200 per year. If you search online, you'll find new instructors make anywhere from $200 per month up to $17,000 per month. On Teachable, most pull in a few hundred a month with affiliate selling, but if you are strategic enough, you can earn several thousand in passive income. Number 3, selling handmade products on Etsy.com, more like easy money. You can sell anything from custom-made jewelry to home decor items. Who knew that your hobby of crocheting cat sweaters could turn into a profitable business? The average successful seller on Etsy earns between $43,000 and $46,000 per year, which is a great basis to start on, as top earners make over $65,000 per month. Talk about cha-ching. Number 4, CreativeMarket.com is like the stock market, but for artists. Sell your fonts, graphics, or illustrations to a community of buyers. Who knew that your talent for drawing stick figures could earn you some serious cash? On the Creative Market blog, one user reported earning $23,608 in 6 months. One user on the Millo freelancing platform even wrote about making his first $100,000 on Creative Market. And finally, number 5, take your designs to the next level by using CafePress.com and Zazzle.com like magic wands that turn your designs into money. These platforms will put your artwork on products and sell them for you. Who wouldn't want to shower with your art every day? On CafePress, you set your own prices. When customers buy in your shop, you keep the difference. Plus, you can earn 10% to 30% in additional performance bonuses based on your tier. For Zazzle, the basic commission rate is 15% per sale, plus up to 17% volume bonus. That concludes our video. Check out the links to the mentioned websites in the description. If you enjoyed this information, please comment, like, and share. Also, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our Friday series on the steps to achieving financial independence. Thanks for watching.